Antidote, a powerful word for your IELTS vocabulary. Imagine you're exploring a tropical rainforest when suddenly you're bitten by a venomous snake. In this dire situation, what you need most is an antidote. Today, we're going to explore this crucial word that could save lives and elevate your IELTS score. Word type. Antidote is a noun, meaning an antidote is a substance that counteracts the effects of a poison or disease. In a broader sense, it can also refer to something that counteracts or neutralizes an unpleasant feeling or situation. Word history. The term antidote comes from the Greek word antidoton, which literally means given against. It's composed of anti, meaning against, and didone, meaning to give. This etymology reflects its purpose of being given to combat harmful substances. Antonyms. While antidote doesn't have direct antonyms, some contrasting concepts include poison, toxin, and venom. Synonyms. Some synonyms for antidote include remedy, cure, counteragent, and treatment. Examples used in sentences. Let's look at how to use antidote in various contexts. Medical. The hospital kept a stock of antidotes for common poisonings, including those caused by snake bites and toxic plants. Figurative. Laughter is often considered the best antidote to stress and anxiety. Scientific. Researchers are working on developing a universal antidote that could neutralize a wide range of snake venoms. Social. Education is widely regarded as the most effective antidote to poverty and social inequality. Environmental. Some scientists propose that reforestation could serve as an antidote to the rising levels of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Common errors in use. One common mistake is confusing antidote with anecdote. An anecdote is a short, amusing story, while an antidote counteracts poison. Another error is using antidote too casually in formal writing. While it can be used figuratively, it's important to ensure the context is appropriate, especially in academic or professional settings. To wrap up, antidote is a powerful word that extends beyond its literal meaning in medicine. It can be applied metaphorically to various situations where something counteracts a negative influence. By incorporating this word into your IELTS writing and speaking, you demonstrate a sophisticated vocabulary and the ability to use language precisely and figuratively. Remember its Greek roots, its synonyms, and its versatile applications, and you'll be well equipped to use Antidote effectively in your IELTS exam and beyond.